Did you know that you could be tracked by some stranger sitting in an entirely different country, or your mobile camera can be accessed without your knowledge? Your private moments, conversations may be captured without your consent. All of these things can happen just by clicking on a malicious link. As the technology is evolving and upgrading, cybercrime is also increasing rapidly. So to stay protected online, here are the 5 most practical online security measures that you need to take to protect your online privacy. First of all, use a strong password which does not contain your name, date of birth, or your year of birth, and keep changing the password periodically. I know you might be thinking it's difficult to remember those passwords if you keep changing them over the course of time, but I have got a solution for you. You may use Google or Microsoft Password Manager to manage your passwords at one place. This is secure than you might be thinking. Don't worry. Also, do not use the same password for all the websites. If it is cracked once, all your security is gone in one go. Second, always keep the two-factor authentication on. Nowadays, almost all the popular applications comes with two-factor authentication, be it Facebook, Instagram, Gmail, or LinkedIn as well. Almost every popular application has implemented this particular feature in their app. The third security measure is to keep a separate email ID other than your primary email ID to sign up for different websites and e-commerce stores that are less popular. If you follow this trick, at least your primary email ID will not be spammed with unnecessary emails. Fourth, when you are shopping online, pay for things securely. Check for the lock icon or HTTPS in front of the URL. This makes the site secure and encrypted by SSL certificate. SSL is the secure socket layer, provides an additional layer of encryption for your personal details like credit card information and passwords. And do not make payments where you don't see a lock icon before the URL. Fifth point, app permission. While installing new apps, be careful about what permissions you are giving, like call log, contacts, files, camera, microphone, or your location permission. Because if you allow permission for your camera or microphone, someone can access those even without your knowledge. If at all, if you keep the location permission allowed for some less popular app, you may be tracked everywhere you go, so be very careful about it. Also, while uninstalling an app from your mobile or laptop, be sure to remove the permission from your file, camera, microphone, or location before uninstalling any app. And one more important point. Those websites that you surf on incognito mode at night that opens up 3 or 4 unwanted pop-ups, if you click on those malicious links, your phone may get hacked. Stay away from such websites and don't tell me later that I didn't warn you beforehand. Let's subscribe quickly for more such useful information. This is Shovik Ghosh signing off. See you in the next video.